In between the existing kitchen and the guest bedroom, we have stairs leading us to the basement. Let's go to the basement. So this is semi-finished basement. We are coming to this main water gas meter room. So we're gonna probably put the laundry from upstairs right here in that area. Laundry is gonna go here. Then we are moving towards the mechanical room, and I don't think we need to do anything here, except we probably need to replace the vacuum, turn on the water, test it, turn on the HVAC unit, test it, but it seems like the unit is getting power and it's working, but outside units need to be replaced. The compressors need to be replaced. Everything else in the basement looks okay. In the stairwell, we have this window needs to be replaced completely. And then there's a leak coming from outside. We don't know where it's coming from. We need to investigate and repair the leak. Leak is there throughout the corner, and probably window seal also leaking. Enter from the lobby. When you enter from the lobby, you're gonna move towards the master bedroom. But before you get to the master bedroom, you have stair to your right going upstairs, where the stair needs to be, this carpet needs to be removed, wallpaper removed. Now we are in a study office area. The ceiling, I think bathroom upstairs is leaking, needs to be replaced, fixed. And we have the whole wallpaper system to be completely removed. The floor doesn't need to be touched. Everything to be removed. Probably we need to replace the doors on the closet doors. It's ugly color, but basically that's what it is. Underneath the stairs we have closet. Doesn't have any light, so that's like a storage area. Then we have master bathroom. The master bathroom carpet needs to come off. We have a closet, walk-in closet, probably needs to be upgraded. Wallpaper removed. Maybe we should add something brighter light, some better lighting. To your right we have this cabinetry. I think we need to remove that cabinetry, maybe, or replace it with something better. Sink in a master bathroom replaced. In a bathroom, master bathroom, we gotta take out this tub. We gotta mount it, a deeper tub. The shower to be renovated. Well, we have some broken tiles, but if we replace the shower head and the shower body, probably we need to look into replacing some of the tiles here on the wall and some of the floor tiles as well. I would recommend to replace this light, both lights, and I don't know, it's too many broken tiles on the floor. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have some wall broken tiles. Maybe it makes sense to replace the whole thing. And we have a toilet. On the toilet, we are thinking to remove that wall and expose the toilet, make it look bigger. Doesn't need to be separate. But we need to replace everything in the toilet. Remove the carpet and toilet bowl itself. We are going into master bedroom. Master bedroom, the carpet needs to come off, floor polished and refinished. Wallpaper removed. Wallpaper everywhere removed. Base molding, probably we need to replace the base molding, but it's up to the client and I'm not sure yet. but I would strongly recommend. So if you see throughout the house, you have this radio unit, intercom unit that communicates between the apartments, rooms. I don't think it's necessary to remove. It's kind of gonna add the character to the house, keep the character of the house, but I would recommend to replace the thermostat and put Nest thermostat, self-learning thermostat. Now we are going into the bedrooms upstairs. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then landing, 7th is landing, and we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the landing. Carpet remove everywhere, wallpaper remove everywhere. Light works. Probably need to put something brighter. Closet. Maybe we should replace the shelves as well, but wallpaper removed. Bedroom to your left needs to be wallpaper removed, carpet removed. Closet's gonna probably stay there. We're gonna paint it. In a bathroom, I would just replace the vanity. I would leave the tub and everything, except I would replace the shower body and the wall house. I would also replace the toilet bowl. Also, you're gonna see throughout the house these vents. Maybe it's worth looking to getting replacement vent covers. We have a bedroom to your right when you come to the second floor. Same thing here, wallpaper removed, replaced, carpet removed, plastered and painted throughout. Now let's move to the basement. So this is 25 Bright Street. So we are looking first at the garage. All these corners right here needs to be replaced. It's all rotten. Ceiling inside to be painted. The sides also needs to be fixed. We're moving forward. That gate right here into the garden needs to be fixed. It's not working. We are going towards the house, main entrance. We have same thing here, but besides the cornice, we need to also fix the copper flashing all around the house. The door to be painted. So we are inside the house. To your right is the powder room. Powder room needs to be wallpaper removed. The Shilovish wallpaper needs to be removed, and probably replace the door of the vanity sink and the toilet as well. That will be replaced. Probably lights as well need to be upgraded. Nothing else here. We're coming in a hallway here. Hallway, the wallpaper stripped off, plastered, painted. We have a walk-in closet here. Same thing. Wallpaper removed from the ceiling, from the floor, and plastered and painted. Then we're moving towards the kitchenette area. And we have a closet right here, walk-in closet, another walk-in closet, same thing. Wallpaper removed, wallpaper removed, wallpaper removed, plastered and painted. We are moving towards the kitchenette. This small kitchenette right here needs to be upgraded. We can't paint this, it's gonna peel off. But this cabinet can stay. We can change the background of it, each individual piece, but we can keep the thing. The ceiling to be painted, wallpaper removed, plastered and painted. The moldings we don't touch this wood. We're just gonna paint it. We are moving towards the living room area. The ceiling, entire ceiling to be painted everywhere. The entire ceiling to be painted. Floor washed, polished. We have a thing here. We need to replace this, remove this wallpaper, paint it. Also, we're gonna have to install the shades. It's about 96 inches long. Same thing here, which is about 19 inches long, but also it's 23 feet wide. We are moving towards a center console kind of area. I was thinking how to upgrade it. Probably we need to replace the whole thing. If not, maybe at least the countertop to upgrade, but I think the whole thing needs to be upgraded. Fireplace, we're just gonna replace the face of the fireplace. We're gonna get a piece that with the glass and something nice. On the ceiling, we're gonna probably replace the light bulbs as well. We are moving up to dining area. Dining area, same thing. The wallpaper removed. Wallpaper removed. Ceiling to be painted. And floor washed. Baseboard painted everywhere. I also would like to offer you to replace the switches. We can go with something modern. Now we are moving towards the kitchen area. Kitchen needs to be completely ripped off. Also, this wall here, we are thinking to remove this wall completely. Not only wallpaper, we're just going to remove that wall completely. And we are moving to, and the floor needs to be installed, tile floor needs to be installed. Ceiling painted, light fixtures replaced, the old cabinetry replaced on both sides. We are moving towards the laundry area. Laundry is going to be removed from this area and moved to the basement. Then we are going to replace this linoleum flooring. It's probably, yeah, it's linoleum flooring. Needs to be removed. Then we are moving to bedroom. The carpet removed, wallpaper stripped, plastered and painted. We have a bathroom here for this guest bedroom. Same thing, we gotta replace the whole all appliances. I mean, all fixtures here. Top gonna come out. New shower, new vanity, new toilet. Wallpaper removed, new tile, light fixtures probably gonna be okay, ceiling to be fixed and painted. Now we are moving towards the second bedroom.